Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Marketing in the Zone, guys. Guys, we are almost coming to the end of our marketing strategies episodes, which we had planned up since last week. Okay, so today we will be quickly discussing on two more strategies, which is one is how to make viral videos, okay guys, and also on jugaad marketing, guys. Okay, so guys, that was guys, a lot of you guys have been requesting me to actually also create a kind of video or some kind of extra session for ABM marketing, and I've been going through your comments and everything, guys. So what we have decided is to go ahead and to ensure that we create this video this Sunday. Okay, which is why our earlier plan for the whole week gets pushed by a day, guys. Okay, so on Sunday, guys, we will be discussing a lot about strategies, the very basic initial steps which we need to take for ABM strategy, and then we'll be going ahead with the kind of team compositions and who should be the team players, who should be doing what in ABM strategy or in S marketing strategy. Also, we will be discussing on how to ensure that you stay up and ahead with the strategy, and how to ensure that you don't go off track or you don't miss the mark. Okay, so guys, we will be discussing a lot about even ABM strategy on Sunday. Okay, so guys, that was about Sunday. For the next week, as on from 10th of August, we have another power pack sessions planned for you. Okay, so guys, here is the plan. On 10th August, guys, we will be discussing on how to write a marketing email or drip email campaigns. Also, what should be the ideal templates. Okay, and guys, on 11th August, we will be discussing on how to create a brand guideline presentation. Okay, so this is going to be mostly about guidelines and lot to do with branding activities. Okay, so how to create the right kind of branding activities to ensure that brand continuity and brand maintenance is all done. Okay, so guys, that will be on 11th August. On 12th August, we will be discussing on how to create brand templates, or just templates for pages, template for social media activities, templates for all of your events and wherever you go. Okay, so guys, these templates will be very useful in case you don't have a big or may a lot of members in your team. Okay, so in case there are about 3 4 members, 5 members, and you want to get it done quickly, so these templates will help you ensure that you have the same kind of brand continuity and you are able to actually reach that impact. Okay, while not losing or out because you have not used the same template. Okay, so guys, that will be about it on 12th August. Okay, 13th August, guys, is when we start with the marketing interviews. Okay, so 13th August, we will be discussing on how to crack any marketing interview for any position. Okay, 14th August, we will be discussing how to crack SEO interviews. 15th August, we will be discussing on how to crack content writers interviews. Okay, and on 16th August, we will be discussing on how to crack any manager level interview for marketing. Okay, so guys, a lot of you guys have also been asking me for on the offline basis that you would like to learn more about the marketing hacks which I use. Okay, so guys, that will be a separate session. So we have 2 sessions going on from next week onwards. Okay, so these will be life hacks for marketers kind of a session, wherein on 10th August we will be discussing on the top tools which are kind of freebies for marketers. Okay, on 11th August, we will be discussing top quick hacks for LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn marketing, LinkedIn kind of paid campaigns or whatever activities be it. Okay, so all kind of LinkedIn activities or LinkedIn paid campaigns, LinkedIn campaigns will be there in 11th August. On 12th August, guys, we will be discussing on top quick hacks for Facebook. Okay, so all kind of Facebook activities, Facebook marketing we'll be doing on 12th August. Okay, on 13th August, guys, we will be discussing the top quick hacks for Twitter. Okay, and so everything how to go about with Twitter, branding activities, what to do, what to say, where to say, and where not to say, what not to say. Okay, all of these will be handled on 13th August. On 14th August, guys, we will be doing a top quick hacks for authors. Okay, so this will be a very special session, guys, wherein we'll be talking about a lot of authors who are actually inclined to write their first book. What should be the way, or which are the tools which I have generally used to write some of my 30 books. Okay, I have written 30 books, guys. Okay, so I am going to give you the quick hacks, or what mistakes I made initially and how I have recovered from there with a different kind of approach now. Okay, so what's my approach, how do I go about with it, will be all discussed on 14th August. Okay, and 15th August, guys, we will be discussing on the top quick hacks for YouTube. So YouTube branding activities, how do, I mean, you must have seen my channel itself. There are so many things which I've actually optimized in my channel. So guys, how to go about with it, and also we'll be discussing a very important point, guys. There are so many questions that people have asked on YouTube, how to change channel branding and how to make it your own, how to change the color and everything. So I'll be actually showing you how these activities are done. Okay, and guys, on 16th August we will be discussing on the top quick hacks for Quora marketing. Okay, so what to do, how to go about with the branding activities for that, how to ensure that you are actually invited by Quora for creating a space of your own. All of these things and a lot more will be discussed on that. But guys, the top quick hacks which I've actually included in next week's sessions will be all visual. Okay, I know a lot of you guys have been asking, okay, Krishna, show us what you mean. Okay, so you wanted a lot more practical approach, which is why the top quick hacks for marketers is being included from next week. Okay, so guys, we will be not just discussing, but we'll be actually seeing how it is done. Okay, or how I do it. Okay, so guys, that was about next week's session. Okay, so Sunday, guys, we will be going ahead with our ABM marketing strategy, and from Monday onwards we will have both these sessions, where we have one session specifically for explaining what for discussing what some of the marketing activities, and second half of probably in afternoon around 1-2ish, I should be actually creating this video where we actually see how I do it, what are the top quick hacks and how do I do it. Okay, so what tools I generally use on a day-to-day basis, and how to go about with it, and what helps where. Okay, so guys, that was about next week. So let's get back to the topic in hand, which is viral videos and Jugaad marketing. So guys, I have not been a major part in viral videos because most of my activities have been from B2B. Okay, so I've done a lot of B2B campaigns, guys, but I do know what is the concept which goes behind it. Okay, so guys, whenever you want to create a viral video, the most important thing is that your content should be viral. Okay, and it should speak to the very basic needs. Okay, so imagine, guys, so what I mean is the illicit emotions that a person actually likes to portray, or which actually appeals to you, should be a major part of this video. And guys, you have to share it very strategically. I mean, where exactly are you trying to get it viral is what makes it makes a lot of difference. Okay, and keep it short, guys, keep it short, keep it crisp, and keep it simple. Okay, as I always like it, and align with the current events. Okay, so imagine that there are a lot of current events which actually happen. You have to ensure that they are included in the video. Okay, and stay engaged. Okay, so I've seen so many of you guys actually seen so many videos where the person has actually uploaded it and they do not re-comment, or they do not actively kind of engage with the audience. So guys, what happens is the effect or the feel is lost. Okay, and that matters a lot, guys. Okay, so to give you a small example, there is this video of a person who is just walking on the road, and you see him walking past a lot of people. Okay, and what he does is, instead of just walking past, he stops, he helps them, and he moves on. Okay, so there is this person whose cart is stuck. So he kinds of helps the person to move the cart, and then he reaches a beggar who is actually begging for her daughter's education. Okay, so he would give her some money, and there is a shopkeeper who is looking at him, and he is always nodding his head, "Ki boss, you will never improve." okay, and then he moves on, and there's water coming out of some pipe which is just falling on the ground, and he moves a plant under the water, okay, and he keeps moving on, guys, okay. And the next day is shown where the same thing happens. The person goes through the same thing, and everyone reacts the same way, okay. He thanks them and he moves on, okay. And this happens for some days, guys, okay. And all of a sudden you see that the person with the card, he moves on the same way, and then he reaches to the person who is actually begging for her daughter so education. She's no longer there, and he is actually shocked. So he asks her, where is she? And suddenly she actually runs in a uniform towards him, and the shopkeeper is no longer nodding his head, you will never improve. He is actually very happy, and he is smiling, okay. And then he moves on, guys, and then they actually show the pot which is actually been moved under the water, what was falling on the ground, and the pot, the plant is actually growing now, okay. So guys, this is a very simple video which actually speaks about insurance, okay. But guys, the thing which it touches the emotions is where you have to use something similar, okay. So it just means just keep doing your good deed every day. Every bit counts, okay. So guys, this was the kind of emotion which it was attached to an insurance plan, guys, okay. And guys, that went viral. A lot of people actually might be knowing what I'm actually talking about because of the very fact that this video was very effective, okay. So guys, you have to basically attach it to emotions and ensure that you keep it simple, keep it crisp, and make it count, okay. And guys, about Jugaad marketing, so guys, I have worked with a lot of companies wherein I was the only guy who was marketing, okay. So guys, whenever that usually happens, the first and foremost thing which I have usually done is just stayed back to take care of the website, guys, okay. My first task is always to ensure that the website is pristine, the website is updated, the website is of the highest quality which is possible, regardless of the situation, okay. And I ensure, guys, that the website keeps on having new content, okay. How do I do that? Is because I actually create kind of banners, kind lot of other stuff. So guys, so that is where, and what I used to do is I used to go to my boss. I used to tell him, ki boss, though I am the only guy, if you want a lot of things to happen, your own okay, charity begins at home, guys, okay. So your own employees should be the first to like, share, and kind of comment on my own activity on social media. So guys, though I was the only guy in marketing, I would have everyone in the company actually like, share, and comment on the content that I was sharing for the company, okay. And guys, also what I did was I did a lot of I used a lot of tools, guys, okay. So when you are the only person, the best tools that you can use for any kind of activities for marketing is, guys, for all design aspects, I used to do Canva, okay. So guys, you can easily drag and drop stuff in Canva and do it with much simplicity, okay. And I used to use Hootsuite because I would not like to go on each and every platform to update the content or the kind of images and everything, okay. So there is a Hootsuite free plan, guys, which you can readily use, okay. And as well with MailChimp, okay. So guys, MailChimp and Hootsuite and Canva were my everyday tools. Why? Because I can use it easily, and that they actually help me do a lot more activity than do nothing at all, okay. And guys, MIS implementation is a must, because that actually ensures that you have a ready running stream of activity there, okay. And guys, with all of these things, one additional very important part which I used to do in each of the company that I actually worked for was that I would ensure that, guys, every single week there was something new happening in the company front on the website, okay. So guys, what I used to do was I used to keep looking for industry insights or people who were influencers, and I would tag them, or I would actually reshare their content on my group, company group, or some other places, so that they would start taking interest, or they would at least initiate talking about us, guys. Okay, and guys, it makes a phenomenal difference if you have an influencer telling about your company. Okay, so guys, I used to do a lot of these activities, so this is a part of my Jugaad marketing kit which I would like to share with you. Okay, so guys, that actually comes kind of sums up what we had to discuss for today. Okay, guys, do not miss out on tomorrow's session, because that is where I will be discussing a lot more about ABM strategy, what you have requested from me. Okay, so being the subject market expert, guys, I would like to share or impart all of my knowledge to you. Okay, so guys, tomorrow I'll be doing that, and from day after tomorrow, as on Monday, guys, we'll be having double back sessions, because you have been asking me for these activity from some time. Okay, so guys, hope you like this session. Do like, share and subscribe, guys. I just love saying it, but I love hearing back from you guys, so do not miss out on comments and these activities, guys. Have a great day. Bye, see ya.